guys, welcome back to another video. Kennedy's Garage. We have a Hyundai Kona here, and what we have is running bad. Fault code. You hard to see with the reflection, sorry. But the glare, we have a P0303, which is a number 3 cylinder misfire. Going to make this easy. It's only a little short one. And we're just going to have a scout here there. I believe we're going to have something miss in it, cylinder number 3, and what I have seen on one of these before, I don't know, for some strange reason there's a high failure rate on the actual plugs, spark plugs. So we're going to get in, have a look. They're recommended to be changed every 60,000 kilometers is when they're recommending to change the actual spark plugs, but I'd say we're going to have something there. We'll get out and have a scout and see. Okay, what I do sometimes just for ease without scan tools is I start the car, run the car, lift it up, and I can hear tick, 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 tick. They say not to short out the coils. They don't like that to happen. You could go along and could put in a actual test light going from battery negative into, just to give the actual spark somewhere to go. But for ease, for speed, for lads that don't have equipment, I just do a little fast tick, 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 and see if I can hear a spark. It's actually not. The tick, 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 tick noise is the spark jumping onto the plug, so you're not actually shorting it out, you're only listening to hear what the coil is actually doing. Okay, running now, so you mightn't hear this very good. Coil is working. Coil is working. Coil is working also. Okay, let's come out of the way, so I pop that out of the way. With the back, I have 3 little bolts holding the coils. Then here there's a little grey leg. It just quite simply pulls back. Once it pulls back, pressure in the little lock and tab, and the plug comes off. Show you. Hey guys, I pulled out the plugs. Visually, I'm doing a look on the inside of the sleeve, and it all seems nice and clear. I have no arc marks or anything in there, so I'm suggesting that the coil is okay. Right, but I do have, I pulled out the plugs, we had the problem found. Number 3 plug, where we had the actual fault code for it, we have ingress, oil ingress, are leaking into that cylinder somehow. Now, not into the cylinder, into the plug hole. It isn't wet down there at all, not to a point that I can actually see oil lodged down there, but yet I have this mark on our plug, and you can see where the actual arc mark or spark has been jumping. Okay, so really it needs a rocker cover. Again, this man says that he is changing the car, starting to happen there. One little mark here. No oil residue marks though on the bottom of the plug. He's actually 2 weeks time, he's going to change it to 2018. He's on about buying a new one. So potentially this will need a rocker cover, because the gasket in here must be leaking slightly and getting oil in here. Or just change the plugs every, there's 45,000 on it. There's 108,000 kilometers on this one now. They were changed at 60 odd, and there's 45,000 or so on them now. So there's a lot of miles maybe on these plugs, but that's our misfire issue resolved. Set of plugs on a 3-cylinder Hyundai Kona. Okay, nice shiny new set of plugs going in there. Very simple, probably not worth a video, but just if anyone has a misfire on one of these. Okay, I'll show you when it cleared faults and drive it. Okay, again, not very exciting, not very entertaining. Fault codes raised. We have no errors at this point. Misfire is gone. If anyone wants the part number of the spark plug, that is the spark plug. 3 of them inside it, okay? Guys, if my hints and tips are any good to anyone, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next cartoon. Thank you.